Jana Reddy was there, right? I thought he will record, so that's the reason. Okay, I'll start it from the beginning, okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, fine, go ahead.
Fine. So now I'm dragging my product, I'm dragging my profit, I'm dragging my sales. So now both are bars, correct? Now what I want to do, I want to show my shape. So it turned to shape. Now if I want to change any more shapes, go here. Suppose I want some bars. Let us take this one. Okay. And now merge it. Now change the shape of profit to bar, and now you can see the image on the bar. So same way what I have told you is just upload a different shape rather than taking the same shapes.
Okay.
So in what way you have done?
What I have done is I have downloaded some images, and I was trying to see through the shape window if I can give that images a shape of this bar diagram.
Okay. You didn't understand.
I think it is not possible now.
That is not possible. See, in this way we can create. A bar cannot be completely changed to a particular shape, but instead of a bar, you can give any other shape.
Oh, okay.
That's what. So, did you practice all other charts also, like the previous charts also? Did you practice?
Oh, we didn't practice this one, the donut. And also the
donut I didn't complete actually. Still there is a chart.
Okay, donut we didn't do it, and we didn't do the line charts as well. So
okay.
We will do it after.
Yeah. Today you practice.
Yeah.
Oh, Krishna also came?
No, I'm waiting for him. I think he is in the bus.
Oh.
Actually, we have classes till night 10:30. So
he is having.
I have my classes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like I slept at 12 o'clock. I suddenly woke up and it is 7 o'clock. You told to join 15 minutes before, right?
Yeah. I joined at 8:20 actually. I thought okay, fine, you didn't join. So I was waiting for you. Meantime, Jana Reddy joined. So that's what. So now today I will tell you the donut chart. And yesterday we have discussed regarding donut and why we have to use donut. But today I will once again, because yesterday due to of disturbances we are not able to hear, right? So again I will tell you what is the importance of donut chart and all. See, donut chart is the way of representation. What we are representing is in the form of a donut. So now, so a donut will be either in a circular, normally it will be in a circular shape, in a center one small hole. So a donut will be in a kind of a circular shape. So in order to get a circular shape, we are trying to create a chart. So whatever client, when we are going to the representation view, the user, he does not want what are the steps you have created for a donut chart. He just wants what you have done to create a donut chart. and how did you represent that. He just need only that, the way of representation, how creatively you have done that representation. So now in this dual axis, in order to create a donut chart, same way we have to use dual axis itself. So for creating a pie chart dual axis, we will be creating in this way. So now this is the axis which starts from 0. So now what I want, I'll first create a calculation field. I'll name it as 0. Make a note of these steps, Rajesh.
Yes.
So that you can explain Chaitanya once he comes.
Okay. Sure.
Now, as it's a value, it automatically, the field has moved into the measures window. So now, when I drag and drop my, automatically it's creating one axis. Now I'll select my product and I'll select my product type, sales, and I'm selecting sales. So before that only we have to create. Once again we'll create. So now select product type, select sales. So this is my pie chart. And now what I will do, I will drag and drop my. So now an axis has been deviated. Now again once more I will drag and drop my calculation field. So now I got two different pie charts. Now I want the representation to be like a donut. So now if I increase the size, let's see what will happen. Immediately both the sizes of two pies are increasing, which I don't want. I want the size of first size should be larger and the second pie should be little smaller. So for that what I have to do, I have to remove my sum of sales from size. So now see the difference. Whenever I am reducing that particular size, it is only changing that particular slice of a pie. So see, are you getting, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Are you understand?
Yeah. And why did you add 2 zeros to column? Because you need pies?
Yes. See now, I need two pies. So then only I can overlap. Correct? So now I'll remove my product type. So this is my blank pie. So now what I will do, I will merge it. I will do dual axis. So now observe, see, does this view look like a donut now?
Yes.
So why we have taken a calculation field with 0? Because my axis starts with 0. I want my axis, I don't want the negative axis. I want only the positive axis which is starting from 0. So that I am taking two axes so that I can merge my two pie charts. So that's the reason, in order to get this axis, I have created a calculation field. If I take a normal pie chart, I will not get any axis for a pie chart. Did you see any time we are getting any axis for a pie chart?
No.
Suppose I'll create a normal pie chart.
Okay. So, okay. Supposing one doubt I have.
Yeah.
Like there, the zero that it is showing, right? Is it like in 0 degrees?
It's not 0 degrees, and it's just like an axis 0. How the value 0? This is not degrees, right? This is just value 0, 1, 2, 3. It's an axis value on an x-axis or a y-axis. If it is 0 degrees, it should be a flat line.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
This value should be a flat line, but it is not a flat line. And I can now, in order to remove this value, see, now my aim is to just view only donut chart. I don't want this axis. When in the presentation view, the same question should not arise by the presenter. Like the zeros should not be seen. So for that, what I'll do, I will right click on the axis and click on edit axis, and here remove 0. And see, the values are gone. So in the same way, edit axis, right click on it, edit axis, and go to title, remove the title, click OK. Here it is showing the value 0. I even want to remove that. Edit axis, go to tick marks, select none, and click OK. Now my values are gone, and I don't want to have even this line. So for that, what I will go, format, lines, did you understand what I have done?
Yeah, sorry.
You want me to explain once again?
No, I will tell you like what I understand.
Yeah, tell me.
What we, if we want to do a donut chart, we need to first create a calculation field.
Why we are creating calculation field is because we want two axes need to be created for a pie chart. So that's the reason we are creating a calculation field. Carry on.
Okay, so the name 0 is just the name, right?
Just a name which we are giving so that the axis value will start from 0. See, now I will change the calculation value as -1. See what will happen. Only half value will come. See, did you observe the difference? The axis will start negatively. The negative axis will start. Now, did you understand? తేడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా మీరు?
అర్థం కాలేదండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ యాక్సెస్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయిందండి? నార్మల్ గా మనకి పాజిటివ్ యాక్సెస్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందా వాల్యూ అనేది? 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది కదా?
అవును అవును
కదా. సో సేమ్ వే ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్ గా నేను ఇక్కడ పై చార్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఓకే, ఇది నా పై చార్ట్ కదా, ఇది పై చార్ట్ కదండి. సో దీనికి మనకి ఏమైనా యాక్సెస్ ఉందా? ఎక్స్ యాక్సెస్, వై యాక్సెస్ ఉందా? లేదు. సో మనము ఈ పై చార్ట్ కి ఒక ఎక్స్ యాక్సెస్ కానీ వై యాక్సెస్ కానీ మనం తీసుకురావాలి. అప్పుడే కదా మనము డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోగలుగుతాము కదా. సో దానికోసమే నేను ఒక వై యాక్సెస్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను అనమాట. అంటే ఆ వై యాక్సెస్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసాం మనం? ఒక క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఫీల్డ్ తీసుకొని దాని వాల్యూ 0 అని ఇచ్చుకున్నాం. జస్ట్ అండ్ ఎంటీ వాల్యూ 0 అని ఇచ్చుకున్నాం. సో దాట్ వన్స్ ఐ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ దట్ వాల్యూ, ఇప్పుడు అదే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఫీల్డ్ ని నేను నార్మల్ క్యాల్కులేషన్ ఫీల్డ్ నేను ఇక్కడ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నా. అదేమి ఇస్తుంది? జస్ట్ వన్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తుంది నాకు. జీరో అని జస్ట్ ఒక యాక్సెస్, బ్లాంక్ యాక్సెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసింది. అలాగే నేను రెండు వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తాను. సో నాకు రెండు యాక్సెస్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. మూడు యాక్సెస్ లు క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. సో హౌ మెనీ యూ వాంట్ టు డివైడ్ యూ క్యాన్ క్రియేట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. అంటే ఇదొక వే ఆఫ్ టెక్నిక్ టు క్రియేట్ a y-axis for a pie chart so that we can create a dual axis.
Okay.
అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు?
Yeah. So whatever number of x y axis you want, that many zeros we add.
That's it. So now I'll add one more zero here. Okay. Here one more blank chart has been created. So we can only create using y-axis but not the x-axis.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు డ్యూయల్ యాక్సిస్ కి చూసారా అండి, మనము ఒక వాల్యూ తీసుకోగానే అది కింద వచ్చేస్తుంది వాల్యూ. ఇప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ చూపిస్తాను మీకు. నౌ లెట్స్ టేక్ ప్రోడక్ట్. And profit. Okay. Again I will drag and drop my sales. So now observe, when I drag and drop my sales, it is coming beneath the above axis. Profit కిందకు వస్తుంది కదా. అంటే ఇది x యాక్సిస్ ని డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది, అంటే ఒక షీట్ ని హారిజాంటల్ గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది అనుకోండి. ఓకే. ఓకే, నేను x యాక్సిస్ రూపంలో మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. It's better you can understand in the way like it is dividing a sheet in a horizontal column, you can understand this. So when we are creating a pie chart, it will divide a sheet into vertical columns. So now again I will drag and drop in one more zero. So again one more pie. So again I want to merge. It has been merged. Now see, there is a zero line axis which has been lying underneath the value of the pie. అర్థమవుతుందండి? మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంటే నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను.
అర్థమైందండి. సో
మీరు చెప్పండి, మీకు ఏం అర్థమైందో నాకు చెప్పండి.
వాట్ ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇస్, సో ఇప్పుడు మనం రెండు y యాక్సిస్ డోనట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి మనకి రెండు సేమ్ y యాక్సిస్ ఉన్న రెండు పై చార్ట్స్ కావాలి.
yes correct.
తీసుకున్న తర్వాత వాట్ వి నీడ్ టు డూ ఇస్ ఫర్ ద సెకండ్ వన్ వి నీడ్ టు రైట్ క్లిక్ అండ్ సే మర్జ్.
డ్యూయల్ యాక్సిస్ అండి.
Dual, okay, yeah. Dual axis for the second one, yeah. Second pie, okay. And నాకు ఒక డౌట్ ఏంటంటే, సో ఇప్పుడు డోనట్ ఫామ్ అయింది కదా, సో ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో మరి వాల్యూస్ ఎలాగా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది ఇది, బికాస్ వీ హావ్ టేకెన్ ఓన్లీ జీరోస్ ఆన్ ద ఫస్ట్.
Okay, now see, now I'll remove this two, okay, unnecessarily to confuse. Okay, this is my donut chart. My next step is I want my values. What is my total number of sales of this particular value? I will drag and drop my sales onto the label shelf. Can you see here?
Yeah.
I'll just increase the size. And here for this particular, see, this is one pie, so that is sum of 0, that is for one marks card. And for the second pie, this is the second marks card. You can observe this is first and this is second. So now for that also, where is my sales value, and you want the product type, label it product type also.
So ఏది ఇందాక మనం డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ వచ్చింది కదా?
అంటే నేను సెంటర్, ఇది సెకండ్ సర్కిల్ అండి, సెకండ్ పై అది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 2 పైస్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి.
అవును.
ఓకే, నేను మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, మీరు అందుకే నేను నోట్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్పాను. సో now first my intention is to create 2 pie charts and also see ఈ 2 pie charts అనేది ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్, డోనట్ అనేది ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ అండి. రెండు ఒకే దానిలోనే మనం కవర్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. సో 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏం అడుగుతారంటే ఫస్ట్ your requirement will be to create 2 pie charts on a single view. How you will create 2 pie charts on a single view? So in order to create 2 pie charts on a single view, I have to create a calculation field which divides my sheet into 2 vertical sections. So first I will create a pie. And now I will drag and drop the calculation field onto the row shelf. And I will select as enter. Now first it has divided into 1 section. Now I want the second pie also on my right hand side. So for that it will just give the replica of the first pie into the second section also. It is not creating one more this thing. It's just a replica. If you observe here, we got 2 sections now. Sum of 0 is for this one, and sum of 0, 2 is for second pie. So now my intention is to merge this. So now let's see what will happen if I increase the size of first pie. Now see, the sum of 0 is the first pie, wherein I am increasing the size. Automatically the second size of the pie is also increasing, which I don't want. What I want is, I want to increase, it should be stable. When I increase the size of first pie, it should be stable as a first pie itself. And when I increase the second pie size, it should be second pie, how much size I want. You are getting, Rajesh?
Yeah.
Now is that clear for you?
Yes, it is.
So did you tell me till here? This is like 2 pie charts we are creating on a single view. So tell me, what did you understand till here?
What we need to do is, we need to create a single pie chart first. Yes. And create an axis for it, a y-axis for it.
Using
the calculation field.
Exactly.
And once you and add one more calculation field for to have one more pie chart with the same axis.
Yes. So that our representation is in front of us. We have, see, the requirement is I want 2 pie charts in one view, correct? So now let's see what I'll do. So now this is representing my product, correct? These are my products. Okay, I will drag and drop my products. And this pie should be my product type. Okay, I'll go to second column and I will remove my product and I will include my product type into the colors. So this is my product type. Did you understand what I have done?
Yeah, you just remove the product type for the second one.
I have removed product from the color shell. See, product will have so many products. Okay, product type will have only 4 products. Just remember that in a coffee chain database, product type will have only 4 products. Now I will drag and drop my product type onto the label shelf. Did you understand?
Yeah.
See, first I'll remove once again.
You remove the product and you just put only the product type, right?
Exactly. I just want to show you the difference. Understood? This is two pie charts in a single view. First, this requirement comes and then donut chart comes. So as I want to cover it up on a single view, so that's the reason I have told you in this chart. So as like now, is that clear for you? Now did you get?
Yeah, it is very clear.
Yeah. So now here when I am increasing the size of the any pie, automatically the both sides are affecting, correct? So
Yeah.
herein there is some circular icon here if you observe. See?
Yeah.
This is a size icon which is automatically taking my sum of sales. So go to all section and remove sum of sales from the size, and now see, go to the sum of 0, 1, that is number 1 pie, and increase the size. Did you observe the change?
Yeah, it has become independent, right?
Now it has become independent. Each pie has become on sum of sales values. However way we want, we can change. Now what I want to do, instead of product, now what I will do, I will remove this product type from color shelf. Okay. I have removed. Now what I will do, just select the sum of 0 and do a dual axis. That's what is a donut chart. And in order to color it, select the second circle and go select the color and select it as white. Little reduce the size. Did you understand?
Yeah. And for making the size of the pies independent, what you did is you took the sum of sales and
Sales? Just I have removed sum of sales from the size column. That's it. Size card, I have just removed the sum of sales.
okay.
ఇంకొకరు ఎవరుండి మాట్లాడుతుంది మీరేనా?
ఇంకెవరు లేరండి ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే, అంటే మీరు కాకుండా ఇంకెవరో ఓకే అంటున్నారు కదా, నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు ఎవరు అంటున్నాను. నేను కృష్ణ గారు వచ్చారేమో అనుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓ అవునా, ఓకే. లేదు ఇక్కడైతే అంటే nobody is in my room, but I am not sure if somebody join.
Maybe. Okay. Fine. So అర్థమైంది కదా?
I'm noting it once again.
Yeah, note down. Shall I repeat it for you how to do and all?
Yeah.
Okay. So connect to coffee. I'll tell from the beginning. Okay, write in a fresh sheet. I'll tell you the step-by-step procedure.
Yeah.
Okay. Connect to coffee chain data source.
Okay.
Select product and select sales using control key.
Product sales.
And click on pie chart in show me option. Okay, and now as we need to create a donut chart, just make a note there. In order to create a donut chart, we will create using a calculation field.
Okay.
So in order to create a donut chart, we will be creating using a calculation field. So now like select the dimensions and right click on that and create a calculation field. Select the dimensions arrow,
Okay.
right click on that and create a calculation field. So now name the calculation field as 0 and in the formula window just write number 0. So now as 0 is a value, it will automatically come into the measures window as it's a number. As it's a 0 is a number, automatically it will come into the measures window. Now select 0 calculation field which is in measures window. Select calculation field which is in measures window. Drag and drop onto the columns. Do it twice. Now we will see that two pie charts will be created differentiating a 0 axis. Done? Hello?
Hello? Yeah. I'm good.
Rascal. Yeah. So, as this is like creating two pie charts in a single view. Now, to reduce the size and to make two pies independent, to reduce the size and to make two pies independent, when we select the charts, remove sum of sales in the all marks card, sum of sales from size marks card.
Size card.
Yeah, this is size.
Okay.
Size tab you can write. If you're not habituated with card, you can from marks card window remove it from the size tab.
Okay.
Size shelf. Rather than tab, it would be better if you use shelf because these are the Tableau terminologies.
Okay. Size shelf.
Yes. Now pies will be independent. Two pies will be independent. We can increase or decrease each size of the pie. So once it is done, now అక్కడే మీరు ఒక నెక్స్ట్ అలాగే రాసుకోండి continuation to create a donut chart.
To create
Step
a
C.
donut chart.
Just
Okay.
yeah, to create a donut chart. ఇక్కడ వరకు స్టెప్స్ సేమేనండి. జస్ట్ we will select the second sum of 0 axis. And we will make it as dual axis. And now select the second pie and change the color of second pie to white color. So now the representation of the chart will look like in the form of a donut. So once it is done, in order to remove the axis lines, right click on the x-axis, click on edit axis, and in title remove 0. And in tick marks tab, select as none. And click apply and OK. So that the headings or as 0 will be vanished. And in order to remove the axis line, which is the dotted line when we create, go to the format window, select the lines, select the 0 lines as none. And now even the lines will be, the dotted line will be vanished. Okay. రాసుకున్నారండి?
Oh yes. Awesome.
So today you practice this completely. Thoroughly you practice this.
I think
And
కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ గా అనిపించింది నాకు. సో మేబీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నాకు అర్థమైపోతుంది.
అదే మీరు అంటే డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ మీకు సరిగ్గా రాలేదు కదా.
అవునండి.
అందుకని సో వన్స్ మీరు డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ ఫస్ట్ డ్యూయల్ యాక్సెస్ చేయండి, మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చేయండి. ఒక పై చార్ట్ నుంచి క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటూ రండి. ఒక పై చార్ట్ లో మళ్ళీ లేబుల్ చేస్తాము, మళ్ళీ ఎలా చేస్తాము, ఒక ఫ్రెష్ చార్ట్ చూసుకోండి. డైలీ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ డూ, సేవ్ దట్. Don't forget to save that. Just save that.
Okay.
And daily sessions, whatever you are doing, just do. What again you want, no issues. You do again from the pie chart. So that what will happen? You will, at the end of the day, when I ask you, when you are busy also, you will tell the steps to create a pie chart or a dual axis or anything. So now I'm seeing, while telling you, I'm seeing and I'm saying. So now in offline, if you ask me also, you should be able to tell and I should be able to also tell you. So in that way you have to practice. So that is what the interview happens. See, what is a challenging dashboard you have created, they will ask. You can tell as a donut chart. This is my creativity which I have shown to the interviewer by creating a donut chart. He will ask, how did you create a donut chart? From connecting to the database, giving labels, you have to tell each and every point.
Okay.
So that the interviewer will not come up with so many questions. So he will understand what you have done. Okay, this person has done something in order to create a chart. He don't think that we are bluffing him. He will just understand that, okay, he has hands-on on Tableau, he has worked on Tableau, so he knows what is what.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying, like, practice once again from beginning. See, if you are good enough with all the other charts, then leave. Practice it from dual axis and donut chart very thoroughly. Do it 2-3 times. If you are missing it, again and again you do. Tomorrow you come up, I will tell you where did you miss.
Okay.
I will tell you.
Store చేస్తున్నాడు. Yeah.
Okay.
సుప్రజారు మాకు దగ్గరున్న ఓల్డ్ వీడియోస్ అంటే చాలా తిరిగినవి కొంచెం ఆ షేర్ టైంలో వేసేస్తారా?
లేదండి,